Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals Part 7. So we will see multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. So how to multiply two decimal numbers? So day to day real life, okay, we are doing that decimal multiplications. If we go to market means, there we will do the decimal multiplication. If you purchase something here in rupees, okay, suppose one apple cost is 25 rupees 50 paise, then 10 apple cost is how much? So here we need to multiply decimals here. So the multiplication of decimal is very important for day to day life. Here you see how to multiply this two decimals. You see, find 0.1 into 0.1. Solution 0.1 into 0.1. 0 point, actually you see after decimal how many digit there? Here how many digit there? Okay, here after decimal one digit there, here after one digit, total two digit there, after decimal two digit. Okay, we need after decimal two digit, but here 1 into 1 1. Okay, you ignore the what decimal, just number multiply, that is 1 into 1 1, but only one digit is coming. We need one more digit, so you put 0, then 1 you have to write. Clear? So like this you have to multiply the decimals. Okay, so now we will see the pictorial representation of 0.1 into 0.1. So you make the square, then you do 10 blocks, 10 equal parts. Do 10 equal parts. So one equal part you said it. That means you correctly will get 1 by 10. That is nothing but 0.1. 1 by 10 means 0.1. Okay, same way, same block you take, same square you take. Okay, then again make 10 into 10, 10 squares you have to make. 10 into 10, 10 squares you have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Same way. Here, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 10, 100 squares there. You see, 100 squares there. Okay. So then what you have to do is 10 square you give shading. Understand? So here it is very important. The dotted square is one part out of 10. One part out of 10 of the 1 by 10th part. You see, 1 by 10th part it is there. Okay. One part out of 10, this dotted. That's why 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 100. That is 0.01. Therefore, here also you see 1 by 10 is 0.1 into 1 by 10 is 0.1. That is equal to 1 by 100. That is nothing but 0.01. Okay. So you have to remember this. Clear? So the simple technique is how to multiply decimal means you see the after decimal how many digit there. Okay, after decimal how many digit there count. Here one digit, here one, total two digit. Okay, the number you multiply 1 into 1 1, but here number 1 into 1 is 1, but after decimal two digit there, we need two digits. That's why what here 1 is one digit, we need one more digit, so you add what before 1 you have to add this 0, means correctly we'll get after decimal two digits we'll get. Okay, for example you see 0.2 into 0.2, how to multiply this? 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, but here after decimal two digit there, so we need two digit after decimal. That's why what point cube, then 1 0 you have to add. Clear? Then only we'll get correctly. Same way you see 0.4 into 0.4. How will you multiply? 4 into 4 16. Okay, 4 into 4 16. So already we have after decimal two digit here. Already we have two digit. So keep the point and 0. This is nothing but 0.16. That is the okay trick and the idea how to multiply the decimal. So you have to count after decimal how many digits there. Accordingly you have to got that. Next we will see multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. See first 1.7 into 10. How will we multiply? See, how to see the 0? 1 is followed by 1 0. Means after decimal you see only one digit there, means you can remove the decimal. Okay, that means 17. That means 17. Clear? So you have to see the 0. How many 0 there? Clear? Here after decimal one digit means you can remove. So now you see the same problem. 1.7 into 100. 100 how will you multiply? You see? Here you see after decimal one digit, but here 2 0 there, means for 1 0 you remove this decimal, that is 17. Then one more 0 there, just you write it. That is the trick. Clear? Now 1.7 into 1000. Here 1 0 you remove this after decimal one digit there. So for 1 0 you remove this decimal point, that means 17. So remaining how many 0 there? 2 0 there. Clear? 2.35 into 10. So this one how will you multiply? You see one digit there, after decimal two digit is there. Here two digit is there. 23.5. 23.5. Okay, now you see 2.35 into 100. So here two digit there, so here two digit there, means you can remove the decimal, that means 235. Now 2.35 into 1000. So here two digit there, here two digit there, so you can remove the decimal, but one more digit is left out. That means 235. Then this 0 you write as it is. Okay. So in this case, but only one digit there. Here one digit you take digit. Okay. You have to move this decimal to one digit. That means 23.5. So here what 0 there. So here 2 after decimal 2 digit there. So this point you have to move to after 2 digit. That means here. Clear? So here 1 0 there, means this point you have to move to right. Move right to one digit. Move right to one digit. Here what 2 0 there. So this point you have to move to after 2 digit. After 2 digit. That is very important. Clear? That's why what 235.0 you can write. Clear? Here this point you have to move to what 3 digit, but here only 2 digit is there. So one more digit you have to add here. This point you have to move to what 3 digits, but here 2 digit there. So you have to what add one more digit, that is 0. You have to add 0. Okay. See one more. $17 point. So here one digit there. Here 1 0 there. Here 1 0. After decimal 3 digits there. So this point 1 0 you multiply means that is multiplied by 10 means 1 0. So this decimal point you move to one digit. This decimal point move to one digit. That means 172.53. 100 multiply 100 means 2 0 there. Okay, 100 means 2 0. One is followed by 2 0 means this point you have to move right to 2 digits. That means 1725.3. Okay, same way 1000. One is followed by 3 0. So this point you have to move to 3 digits. Move to 3 digits. That means 17253. 3.0 you can keep. That is not required. Clear? That is not required. But for understanding purpose, you write it now. Clear? So this is nothing but 17253. Okay. So like this, easily you can multiply by 10, 100, and 1000. So the trick you have to remember. Clear? Now you see into 10, this number multiplied by 10, very easy. So here 10 there means you have to move this decimal point right to one digit. That means 451.2495. Clear? 100. So 1 is followed by 20. So this point you have to move to 2 digit right. That means 45 point or 45 12.495. That means 4512.495 into 1000. So 1000 multiply means this point here 1000 means 1 is followed by 30. So this decimal point you have to move right to 3 digits. That means 45124 45,124.95. Clear? So like this easily you can multiply by 10, 100 and the 1000 decimal. So very important. Clear? Yes, sir. Next we will see exercise 2.6. The first problem, find using how to multiply this number 0.2 into 6. So you ignore the decimal point. Simply multiply number 2 into 6. How much? 12. Then you see here after decimal only one. Okay, one digit. After decimal point one digit. Here no digit. So you have to what from the right. You have to leave one digit and keep the point. So 1.2. Second problem is 8 into 4.6. Okay, how to multiply? You see, you ignore the decimal, only number you write. 46, 8 you write. Okay, 46 into 8, 48, carry 4, 32, 36, 3, 68. Now you see after decimal, how many digit there? Here no, here one digit. Total one digit only. Clear? So one from the right, you leave one digit and keep the point. That means 36.8. 36.8. Same way here also. Clear? Same way here also. Number, just number you write and multiply. 5, 35, 13. Okay. Now you see after this number after decimal 2 digit. Here no digits. Clear? So after decimal 2 digit there. So from the right you leave 2 digit and keep the point. That means 13.55. So like this easily you can multiply. Here also in 4 table you multiply. Ignore the decimal. Ignore the decimal. Clear? Multiply 4 means 408. After decimal, how many digit? Only one digit. So leave one digit and keep the point. 80.4. Okay. Using this problem, find the area of rectangle whose length is given, breadth is given. Okay. You know what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Here length is given. Length is how much given? 5.7 centimeter. That is L you take it. Then breadth is given 3 centimeter. You take it to B. Therefore, area of rectangle. We have to calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to, you know the formula, L into B. So what is L? 5.7. What is B? 3. So multiply. Okay, ordinary multiplication. Remove the decimal. Only number you write. So 21 carry 2, 15 means 17. So now you find out how many digit after decimal. Only one digit. Leave one digit from the right. Leave one digit. Keep the point. So 17.1 centimeter square. Area means centimeter. Here centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. Area means always square units. Clear? You see the next problem. Find 1.3 into 10. See, after decimal, clear? After decimal, how many digit there? One digit. So here 10 there means, okay, you can remove the decimal. You can remove the decimal. Or another way also there. You remove the decimal point. Clear? Ignore the decimal point and multiply. Okay. 13 into 10, 130. Clear? 13 into 10, 130. Then after decimal, how many digit there here? Only one digit, sir. So from the what? Right? You leave one digit and you keep the point. That is 13.0. That is 30. Clear? Like this also you can do. Same way here you see. One digit is there after. Clear? Decimal one digit is there. Multiply by 10 means you can remove the decimal. Clear? Here 100 means two zeros. 20 there means after decimal. Okay, two digit there means you can remove the decimal. Okay, same way this also you see. One is followed by 20 there means here after decimal two digit there means remove the decimal. Here only one decimal you have. Okay, so you ignore the decimal and to multiply just 9 into 100, 900. Okay, 9 into 100, 900. Now after decimal, how many digit there? One digit there. So from the right, you leave one digit and keep the point. Clear? That is 90.0 is 90. 90.0 is 90. Here also same way. Okay. 3 into 1000. 3000 you write. Ignore the decimal and just number only multiply. 3 into 1000, 3000. Now you see after decimal how many digit? 2 digit. So leave 2 digit and keep the point. That means 30.00 is 30. You write 30.00. Clear? That is 30. You see the next fifth problem. Multiply the decimal numbers. So ordinary multiplication only. You know how to multiply the numbers. Same way multiply. Okay. Then you have to see after decimal how many digits. Clear? Accordingly you have to multiply. Okay. So here you see. You know very well. Ignore the decimal. First one, ignore the decimal and then multiply number. 25 into 3, how much? 75. 25 into 3, 75. Now you see after decimal, how many digit? Here one digit, here one. Total 2 digit. So leave 2 digit from the right. Then keep the point. Okay. 0.75. Clear? For understanding purpose, what you can add here one more 0. 0. Clear? Integer part you write 0. 0.75. Now this is very simple, you see. 0.1 into 51.7 means ignore the decimal. 1 into 517, how much? 517 you write. Clear? Now after decimal, after here 1, here 1 digit. Total 2 digits. So leave 2 digit and keep the point. That's all. Clear? Leave 2 digit and keep the point. Here you see 5 into 5. Number alone multiply. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Okay. Now after decimal you see here 1 digit, here 2 digit, total 3 digit. You have to leave 3 digit, but here 2 digit there. So you add one more digit. Okay, keep the point. You add one more digit, keep the point. That's all. 0.025. Okay. You can simply write 0.025 also. Okay. For understanding purpose, we are writing 0.025. In integer, there is no integer means you write 0. Now here, you see, ignore the decimal and in rougher column you multiply. Rougher column you multiply. Ignore the decimal and simply write the number and multiply. Here 5 into 5, 25. Then 5 into 0, 0. Here 5. Okay. Here 0 multiply means all 0. Here 1 multiply means same number. Okay. 1, 0, 0. 5, 0, 0, 1. So add. This is the number. Now what you have to do is you have to what see the decimal here after decimal point 2 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, total 4 digit. Clear, you have to leave from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit leave it. So 10.5525. Okay, this is the answer. 10.5525. Clear? So very simple, ordinary multiplication. This also, you see here this number into 1 here. Into 1 means same number you will get. Okay, same number you write. 10101. Right. After decimal here 2 digit, here 2 digit. Total 4 digit you have to leave. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 1.0101. Here 11 you have to multiply. Okay. So 11 multiply by 11 is very simple. You ignore the decimal. Simply write the number correctly. Then 11 table. You see 11 table multiplying is very easy. Okay. 1 into, so same number. Again 1 into same number. So from here you write 1 digit leave it. From here you write 10001. Now easily add. Okay. Now you see after decimal, how many digit here? Here 2 digit. Here 1 digit. Total 3 digit. Leave 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit leave. So 110.011. Okay. So this is very important. Clear? Very important. How to multiply the decimals. Clear? So like this same type of problem I will give it as homework. Okay. Do the homework for better practice.